Yo guys, it's Brick Learn. See Brick here doing a video. This is how I part out sets. So we have a part of this set 60079. We have, that's not how many pieces are going to be in it, but the training jet transporter. The jet is what's going to be uploaded. That's the jet. And right now we are figuring that out. So right here, you see we have that one right there. It's good. We have quantity already. Price. It's this one right there. That's gonna be point. It's gonna be 15 cents. No, 20 cents. 20 cents, and remark is one container, and it's gonna be a stack on SN3, SN1, S3. That's what it's gonna be. Stack on one. Stack. First section 3, I guess. So yeah, and this is all the pieces that in it. More containers here. So that's how I do parting out set, guys. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.